Hey y'all, it's time for another Gulf Shores Campground tour. Today we're going to check out Island Retreat RV Park. This one is located less than 3 miles from the beach on Fort Morgan Road. Island Retreat has about 150 full hookup RV sites. They have a pool, a playground, they're pet friendly, and they have a lot of big rig friendly sites. And for those of you looking for some shade this summer, this one's got it. If you're new here, welcome. We're all about the RV life, outdoor adventure, and checking out the best campgrounds across the country. If that's your vibe, be sure to hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. Now let's dive into today's video. As soon as you enter the resort, the building straight ahead is the office where you'll check in. They don't have a big store or anything, but they do have a few supplies. They also had some t-shirts and a small cooler with some ice cream. And you can already see that they have big mature trees in here that give some of the campsites a good bit of shade for the summertime. They have a mixture of back ends and pull-throughs here, and all of them are on a concrete pad, and they do have picnic tables. You can see here on the left is the playground and then the pool area. Here's a look at their daily rates at the time of this video. I also wanted to mention that they do offer short, seasonal, and long-term rentals here. This is number 246 right here. This empty one is 246. These are really long pull-throughs. Like that is a big full-size fifth wheel. You've got plenty of space in the back as well as in the front. Same thing down there. All of the sites are large. A couple of them have trees on them. Love the palm trees that they have planted here. It's real tropical. So these are back end sites. These are not pull-throughs. So this starts the back end row. Looks like they are definitely pet friendly. They have dog stations throughout the campground. This right here is site 138 with that big tree on it. And this is 139. Obviously they're both in the shade. all of these sites down here, they are smaller, but they have a concrete pad. A lot of them have shade. There's their bathhouse. Empty site is 128. This is their newly renovated clubhouse, and they have a little gaming area behind it. They also have some space back here to store your RV if you need that. If you're looking for more camping options in the Gulf Shores and Orange Beach area, we have a full playlist of all the campgrounds here. And if we happen to miss one that you're looking for, go ahead and drop me a comment down below and I'll try to go do a drive-through for you. Okay, y'all, that is going to wrap up today's campground tour of the Island Retreat here on Fort Morgan Road. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to give us a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching today, y'all. See you on the next one.